20 push-ups a day. It sounds like the ultimate low-effort, high-reward fitness hack. We've all seen the 30-day transformation videos claiming that a few sets of chest presses will melt away your gut and reveal a six-pack. But what does the actual science say? Today, we're diving deep into the physiology of the human body. We're going to look at exactly what happens to your metabolic rate, your muscle fibers, and, most importantly, your belly fat when you commit to just 20 push-ups every single day. By the end of this video, you'll understand why 20 push-ups might be the best thing you ever did for your health, but also why it might not be doing what you think it is to your waistline. Let's get into the science. The anatomy of a push-up. To understand the fat-burning potential, we first have to look at what's actually working. A push-up is a compound movement. While your chest and arms do the heavy lifting, your entire core, your rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis, acts as a stabilizer. When you do 20 push-ups, you aren't just working out, you are creating micro-tears in these muscle groups. Your body then spends energy, calories, to repair these tears through a process called muscle protein synthesis. This is the foundation of building lean muscle mass. Muscle is more metabolically active than fat. This means the more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns at rest. But is 20 reps enough to trigger that metabolic engine? The myth of spot reduction. Here's the scientific truth that many fitness influencers won't tell you. Spot reduction is a myth. You cannot choose where your body burns fat. Doing push-ups to lose belly fat is like trying to empty a swimming pool with a cup from just one corner. The water level, your body fat percentage, drops everywhere at once, not just where you're dipping the cup. Belly fat, specifically visceral fat, is stored energy. To get rid of it, you need a caloric deficit. While push-ups burn calories, 20 reps generally burn between 7 to 15 calories depending on your weight and intensity. To put that in perspective, a single apple is about 95 calories. So if 20 push-ups won't melt the fat directly, what does happen? The hormonal and metabolic shift. Even if the calorie burn is low, the hormonal impact of daily exercise is massive. Scientific studies show that consistent body weight resistance training improves insulin sensitivity. When your insulin sensitivity is high, your body is better at using carbohydrates for fuel rather than storing them as, you guessed it, belly fat. Furthermore, doing push-ups every morning can trigger a small release of endorphins and growth hormones which help regulate your appetite and mood throughout the day. This creates a halo effect. People who do 20 push-ups every morning are statistically more likely to make better food choices at lunch. It's a psychological win that reinforces a healthy identity. Long-term changes, day 1 versus day 30. So what happens after 30 days of this? Structural strength. Your core will become significantly tighter. Even if the fat is still there, a stronger core prevents belly sag and improves your posture, making you look leaner instantly. The 600 rep milestone. After a month, you've completed 600 push-ups. Your chest and triceps will have more tone or neurological density. Cardiovascular health. A famous study published in JAMA Network Open found that men who could do more than 40 push-ups had a 96% lower risk of cardiovascular disease events compared to those who could do fewer than 10. 20 push-ups is the gateway to that 40 push-up safety zone. How to make it work. If your goal is strictly to lose belly fat, 20 push-ups alone won't get you a six-pack. However, it is the perfect foundation. If you want to see real results, here is the science-backed formula. Progressive overload. Once 20 becomes easy, do 21 or slow down the tempo. Combined with NEAT. Pair your push-ups with a 10-minute walk to maximize fat oxidation. The kitchen factor. You can't out-train a bad diet. Use the discipline from your daily push-ups to cut out processed sugars. The real magic of 20 push-ups a day isn't the fat it burns, it's the person you become by being consistent. It's the first step in telling your body, we are moving, we are building, and we are not storing energy anymore. How many push-ups can you do right now? Drop your number in the comments and let's start a 30-day challenge together. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more science-based health tips. Stay healthy and keep pushing.